In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay sending emails in Outlook. This can be incredibly useful if you want to schedule emails to be sent at a later time or date, ensuring messages are sent at your preferred moment. Whether you're planning to be offline or perhaps aiming to send an email at a specific time when you know the recipient is most likely to read it, this feature allows you to manage your communication more effectively. Let's dive right into it. First, open Outlook and navigate to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll want to click on New to start drafting a new email. Once you've clicked New, a blank email template will appear, ready for you to compose your message. This is where you'll write out your email just as you normally would. Take your time to ensure your email content is clear and free from errors before proceeding to the next steps. Once you've finished drafting your message and you're satisfied with the content, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top. You'll notice the familiar Send button. Beside that button, there's a small arrow. Go ahead and click on this arrow. This is a crucial step, as it will reveal more options that aren't immediately visible on your screen. After clicking the arrow, you'll see an option labeled Schedule Send. Click on Schedule Send, and you'll be guided to a new window or dialog box, where you can specify when exactly you'd like your email to be sent. This is where you can choose the precise date and time you want your message to be delivered to the recipient's inbox. Selecting a date and time that aligns with your intended purpose for sending the email can help ensure your communication is well received and timely. With your date and time selected, you're almost at the finish line. Simply click on Send. At this point, it's important not to worry if the email doesn't immediately disappear from your outbox. This is perfectly normal. Instead of being sent right away, your email will be held back and delivered automatically at the scheduled time you've set. And there you have it. Delaying emails in Outlook is as simple as that. It's a handy feature that can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized, especially if you're managing communications across different time zones or want to ensure emails are sent during business hours. By using this feature, you can avoid any last-minute scrambling and plan your email communications with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section